everyone, I would like to welcome you all in my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Before we start today's video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, it will directly notify you. If you have any queries, then do not forget to mention in the comment section. And if you like my video, then don't forget to press the like button. So with that said, let's start today's video. And today's video topic is square and square root. Now let's see what is a square number. When a number is multiplied by the same number, then the product is called the square number. Here example is given 3 and 2 is written on the top of it. This is the way how we write a square. Okay, 3 square. Now let's see what is square root. The square root of a number is one of its two equal factors. Not all the factors, but the equal factors. Now here square root is denoted in this way. Okay, square root is denoted like this. Here it is called square root of 4. Now let's see some of its examples. Find the square of. Now we are going to find the square of 5. So how do we find the square of 5? Square of 5 is equals to 5 and 2 is written on the top of it, which means 5 square. So 5 square means we just knew in the definition that multiplying the same number 2 times. So 5 square means we multiply 5 for 2 times, that is 5 times 5. So 5 5s are 25. So finally the square of 5 is 25. Similarly, let's see another example. Now we will find out the square of 9. Square of 9 is equals to 9. On the top we write it 2, which is called 9 square. So 9 square is equals to 9 multiplied by 9. So 9 9s are 81. Finally, the square number of 9 is 81. Now let's see some of the other examples. 50. Now we'll see example of double digit. Square of 50 is equals to 50 square. 50 square is equals to 50 multiplied by 50. Now we know how to multiply the numbers including 0. We add the number of zeros. So 50 multiplied by 50 gives us 2500. So the square of 50 is 2500. Now let's see another one, square of 21. Square of 21 is equals to 21 to the power 2. 21 square is equals to 21 multiplied by 21. And when we multiply 21 and 21, we get answer 441. So the square of 21 is 441. Now after finding the square numbers, now let's find out square root. Find the square root of 196. The process of finding the square root, we will factorize it using prime numbers. The process we use in H.C.F, we will utilize it over here. If you don't know about H.C.F and L.C.M, you can go to my channel and you can find the videos regarding H.C.F over there where you will get detail about it. So here 196 can be divided by 2. So 2 98s are 196. Again 98 can be divided by 2. 2 49s are 98. Now 49 cannot be divided by 2. And it also cannot be divided by 3 and 5. So 7 7s are 49. And finally 7 1s are 7. We factorize until we get 1 at last. So here factors of 196 is equals to 2 times 7 times 7. Now while we find out the square root, we will take each digit that is repeated only. Each digit that is repeated. Here 2 is repeated 2 times, so we'll take 2. 7 is also repeated 2 times, we'll take 7 also. Remember students, we take only 2 digits that are repeated. So root under 196 is equals to 2 times 7, that gives us 14. So finally square root of 196 is equals to 14, which means if you multiply 14 for 2 times, you must get 196. Now let's move on with another example. Find the square root of 225. Now we are going to factorize 225. Here 225 cannot be divided by 2 because odd number is at the last, so we'll try for 3. It can be divided by 3 because 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9, and which can be divided by 3. So 3 75s are 225. Again 75 can be divided by 3. So 3 25s are 75. Now it cannot be divided by 3, so we'll divide by 5. 5 5s are 25, and again 5 1s are 5. Now we'll write the factors of 225. 225 is equals to 3 times 5 times 5. Now you can see here 3 is repeated 2 times and 5 is also repeated 2 times. So we can take those numbers for our square root. So root under 225 is equals to 3, which is repeated 2 times, and 5, which is repeated again 2 times, and 3 5s are 15. So our square root for 225 is 15. You can check it also. When you multiply 15 2 times, 15 times 15, you must get 225. So I hope you have understood about square and the square root. So thank you for watching my video. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye bye.